In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started selling on Amazon as an individual seller. This is an exciting venture whether you're looking to declutter and make some extra cash, or you're eager to embark on a new entrepreneurial journey. So, grab your favorite cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive into setting up your very own Amazon selling account. First things first, we need to head over to the Amazon Seller Central website. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL sellamazon.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice Amazon's enticing tagline about becoming your own boss by selling products on their robust platform. Now, the next step involves a small yet significant action. Look towards the upper right corner of the screen and you'll find the Sign Up button. Go ahead and click that. What you're effectively doing here is initiating the process of creating an account that's bespoke for sellers. Once you've clicked the Sign Up button, Amazon will automatically guide you through a series of setup prompts. These prompts are designed to gather essential information about you and your business. A handy tip here is to make sure you have all your details ready. This might include basic personal info and details about your business. As you proceed, you'll come across a section where Amazon will ask for your type of business. At this point, you'll select Individual. Now you might wonder, why choose Individual? Well, this choice is ideal if you're just starting, as it allows you to list products at a lower cost. You won't be overwhelmed by monthly fees that are standard under the professional plan, especially if you're testing the waters or don't plan on selling more than 40 items a month. Remember, as an individual seller, you benefit from paying only a fee when you've made a sale, making it a great choice for casual or small-scale sellers. It's also worth noting that you can always upgrade to a professional account later once your business starts to grow and you're ready for more advanced features. As you complete these steps, it's crucial to take your time and ensure that all the information you provide is accurate. This sets a strong foundation for your Amazon selling experience and ensures you avoid any future hiccups with your account. And there you have it. You're all set to start listing your products and making your mark in the vast Amazon marketplace. Whether you're selling books, crafts, electronics, or clothes, remember that the key is to stay consistent and keep learning. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or want more tips on succeeding on Amazon, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy selling!